up out there, you guys? Marty Schwartz here with guitarjams.com. If you sign my email list down there, I send you a chord and scale book, which is very helpful for all these free online lessons I do. So you can click down there, and in the meantime, as you're waiting to get that ebook, I'm going to show you a really cool blues chord. It's just a 7 chord, a dominant 7 chord, and it's a particular voicing that that I think some players overlook. It's just a really cool sounding chord. It's also kind of what you would consider, I guess, a like an upper register chord, you know, emphasizing the top notes there. So I'm going to show you the voicing and just go through that little kind of swingy blues progression and maybe a couple tricks with it too. Okay, here we go. So I was playing blues in E, which a lot of times someone might use this chord that looks like a C7 as an E7 chord. I use a 9 chord a lot, E9. Like that a lot for E. But the one I was playing, which players maybe don't use quite as much, is we visualize the root. We're not even playing the lower root, but we visualize where the root is on the A string, and we're playing E. We want an E7 chord. So the root's right here on the 7th fret. But we're not even going to play that note. That's how we locate the chord, that root. And so my middle finger is going to go a half step lower and over. So we've got the 6th fret of the D string. Then ring finger on the 7th of the G. Then index finger on the root, the 5th fret of the B string. And pinky on the 7th fret of the high E. And now we have an E7 chord. So it's going to be good, you know, if you're playing with another guitar player who might be going. In fact, watch, I'll loop this. You know, just sliding it up a half step. It lays really nice with this little part of the blues scale. Whole step bend on the B string right here on the 7th. Bending it all the way up to this note, up to there, or a whole step. You know, right into that chord. So basically I was going. And then when I want to go to the 4 chord of the blues, which is A7, you know, you could do something right in the same spot, but I'm just going to use the same voicing. And where's A? Right here on the 12th fret, so the chord's going to be here. Middle finger will be on the 11th fret of the D, and then 12, 10, 12. And then the 5 chord's just a whole step up from there. combining some of the other voicings. There was a great lesson a few videos before this one that I did with Bob Ryan where he was playing this really cool 9 chord. If we wanted to play E9 with it, you can check that other video, but that's a really cool 9 voicing. So you could get that in there, so I could play E7 as the 1 chord. Now I'm playing A9. B9. So anyway, little free blues tip for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. And like I said, I've got that free book for you that you can click for right down there. It's got the pentatonic scales in there and the bar chords and stuff. So I think it's really helpful. And you know, I have a ton of blues lessons that are not on YouTube at the site and as DVDs. So you know, I always encourage you to check that stuff out because it follows a very specific structured program. So that's it. Marty Schwartz, guitarjams.com. Hopefully I'll see you real soon.